Many people get quite stressed about their signature design. I know this because my video on designing your own amazing signature has had around 5 million views, and I receive a lot of comments from anxious people who need a new signature. I want you to relax and stop getting stressed about it. Basically, a signature is your personal mark that says that you agree with the words that come before the signature. Those words might be a letter, a contract, a statement, an application form, or any number of other documents. Your signature says that you have written or read the words and agree with what the words say. A signature also acts as a security symbol, like a fingerprint that allows others to recognize you, your property, and your wishes, like in a will, for example. A signature is your personal mark. All you really need for a signature is a mark that you will agree in law was made by you. An X has always been a common mark for people to make who are unable to write. But anyone could draw an X and say it was you who made it. That's not very secure. If your mark is easy to copy, then anyone can fake your signature and pretend to be you. You don't want that, do you? A fingerprint can be a signature, which is really hard to copy, but it's not very practical. Usually, a signature is made up from your name, so people can read it and tell that you made the sign. If you're famous, then you need to sign autographs for your fans, so you might want your autograph to be fancy or pretty. But if you are not famous, then your signature is most likely just for lawyers, banks, and government offices. They don't care what your signature looks like, they just want it to be consistent. Your signature needs to be repeatable again and again and again and again, so it always looks the same. Then people can compare one signature with another and know it is yours. The only way to achieve this is to practice your signature again and again. To make your signature really easily, write your name, then write it again and again and again, until you can do it exactly the same each time. Because you write your signature in your own individual way, the movements your hand makes are hard to copy exactly. To make your signature flow and easy to write, join all the letters up. Now, I've discovered that many people are not taught joined up or cursive writing at school anymore. So, to make things easy, choose a cursive font on the computer and type out your name. Now, copy what you see and do it again and again until you can repeat the same signature every time. You may like to add a squiggly underline or a star over the I for a dot. You can do anything you like for your signature. There are no rules, other than it should always be much the same as the one before. So make sure you can repeat it again and again. The only way to do this is practice. It may take you 1,000 or more attempts to get it right, but practice is the key. Do it 10 times a day until you get it right. It doesn't matter what it looks like, it's the repeatability that is important. Have fun and good luck, but please, it's nothing to get stressed about. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel for new videos every week. Click the link to see my multi-million view video about creating your own amazing signature.